Hi guys, welcome back to Natural Tribe. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And lastly, like so YouTube will know this video is relevant. So today I'm going to be showing you how to sew your very own ankara max. And please like this video so people can see it. And yeah, let's move straight into the video. Bye. So we're going to be needing an 8.5 inches by 7 inches cloth in two places. Next off is pins to attach the cloth together and also the elastic bands. And lastly are the elastic band. Then we have our needle and thread because we're going to be sewing this by hand. So now I'm going to show you how to make your own face masks by hand. First we get our cloth and measure half an inch and place our elastic bands on it. We also measure a half an inch on the lower side and attach the elastic band to it. We do the same thing for the other side as well. So I do the same thing for the other side. I attach it at half an inch mark and did the same thing for the lower one. And after doing this, the next thing you're going to do is to take the other piece of cloth and attach it with your pin, so it will close the other part completely. When you flip this over, you're going to have a square shaped fabric with two elastic bands which you put on your ears, and that's your face mask basically. So I've sewn one part, so it's remaining the other three sides. So I learned this in home economics when I was in secondary school, and I think they call it backstitch. So we're going to be backstitching or straight stitching this fabric through with our hand. So if you don't have a sewing machine or your sewing machine is electric and there's no light, you can do this and not stress yourself. Or maybe you are looking for something to just quickly help you with your face mask and your protection against coronavirus. You can just do this. It take you less than 30 minutes, or let's say 20 minutes to complete. So as you can see, I'm going forward, then going back, going forward, then going back. That's sewing, going forward and going back. And I do this for the remaining two sides. So you will be required to leave 2 to 3 inches space to flip this fabric over. So now I'm going to be leaving that amount of space and I'm flipping it over so you can see the square shape or rectangular shape that I was talking about earlier. Ding dong. So I'm pinning the fabric down to make it flat so this can sit well on my face. And now I'm going to be sewing it down so it becomes more smoother on my face. So from the back, I'm going to be taking little incisions that are really not that noticeable. See, it's really small. Then going over it. So I'm taking little incisions, going back on it, taking little incisions, going back on it. From the back, I left space so I can make those little incisions. And I do this for the four corners. So now it's all done. You can see it's all flat and nice. Alright. So I'm going to be folding this into two to give me that surgical nose mask effect. I'm pinning both sides, the first sides down, and we'll fold the next one and pin it down as well. So I'm going to be sewing the points down with the second technique of my sewing, that is making little incisions, and as you can see, it's very small and it's really not that noticeable. So if you're looking for how to be creative this quarantine period, this is the best way for you to keep yourself safe and also be creative. And I'm going to do the four sides as well. Also, if you're looking for a way to make little side money, because I actually made like some money from making nose masks in my area, you can try this and make maybe like 10 and sell it at, I think in Nigeria we sell it at 100 or 150 per nose mask. It's a quick way to make small funds for yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see any other video, please just comment down below, and I love you. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified, and like this video, and